Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best smart thermostats on Amazon. Smart thermostats are intelligent temperature control devices that learn and adapt to user preferences, optimizing comfort and energy efficiency. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Amazon Smart Thermostat. Are you in the market for a smart thermostat that can help you save money on your energy bills? Look no further than the Amazon Smart Thermostat. This Energy Star certified device is easy to install and is designed to work seamlessly with Alexa. With the Amazon Smart Thermostat, you can enjoy all the convenience of a digital thermostat while saving money on your energy bills. And the best part? The non-product description means you won't have to worry about confusing technical jargon or unnecessary features. So why wait? Invest in the Amazon Smart Thermostat today and enjoy the benefits of a more efficient home. What we like about it: cost-effective compared to popular smart thermostats. Easy to install. Partnered with Honeywell. What we don't like about it: see wire required. Number 2. Google Nest Smart Thermostat. Introducing the Google Nest Thermostat, the perfect smart thermostat for keeping your home cozy and your energy bills low. This programmable Wi-Fi thermostat can be controlled from anywhere using the Google Home app, so you can always return to a warm home. Plus, it's easy to install yourself in just 30 minutes. It's also Energy Star certified, which meets strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. And with alerts that notify you of potential issues with eligible HVAC systems, you can keep your home running smoothly all year round. The Nest Renew feature is an excellent option for those looking to take their energy savings to the next level. What we like about it: easy to use. Displays perfectly accurate temperature. Temperature control even when away from home. What we don't like about it: the product may appear pink to some users. Number 3. Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat. Are you tired of constantly adjusting your thermostat to keep your home cozy? Look no further than the Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat by Emerson. With its easy-to-use touchscreen display and free mobile app, you can control your home's temperature from anywhere at any time. It works with most HVAC systems and has in-app instructions to guide you through the easy de-installation process. Simply make sure you have a C-wire for all system types and you're ready to go. It offers a variety of features to help you save money on energy costs, including geofencing to automatically adjust your temperature based on your location and customizable schedules to fit your lifestyle. And with its data privacy features, you can rest easy knowing your information is secure. What we like about it: no reported glitches or disconnects, easily programmable with any schedule you like. Integration with Alexa is seamless. What we don't like about it: requires a C-wire for installation. Number 4. Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Introducing the Ecobee Smart Thermostat with voice control, the ultimate solution to keep your house cozy and comfortable. This programmable Wi-Fi thermostat works seamlessly with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, making it a truly smart addition to your home. With its advanced features, you can experience enhanced comfort, increased savings, and advanced control. The smart thermostat is an award-winning thermostat that learns and adapts to your routine. It automatically adjusts the temperature to your desired settings, ensuring you're always comfortable. Plus, its included smart sensor detects your occupancy and adjusts the temperature accordingly, keeping you comfortable wherever you are. What we like about it: personalized and efficient cooling and heating experience. Wide range of compatibility with voice assistants. Less maintenance and replacement costs. What we don't like about it: complicated and confusing interface. Number 5. Honeywell Smart Thermostat. Introducing the Honeywell Home RCHT8610 WFT5 Smart Thermostat, the perfect addition to keep your space cozy all year round. With its Energy Star certification, you can rest easy knowing that this thermostat is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It is easy to use and convenient and fits perfectly into your lifestyle. Whether you prefer to program your thermostat based on your schedule or adapt it to your life as plans change, the T5 has got you covered. Control your thermostat from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. This feature makes it easy to manage your home temperature without being physically present. Say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to maximum comfort while saving money on your energy bills. What we like about it: easy to set up and install. Provides savings on energy bills. Compatible with a variety of Wi-Fi security standards. What we don't like about it: the geofencing features a limited range. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.